Yo, what's up guys, Aiden here. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how I made $1,200 trading stocks. I'm out and about and I can't remember what I traded or how I traded it, but when we jump into some charts, I'll show you exactly what went on. So a little bit of a different video today because you can see I'm not currently in my office, I'm actually in Bali. I decided to come here to sort of take a little bit of a break from trading, and by and large that has been successful. I've just taken one or two trades to keep me ticking over. So at this moment in time, I do feel a little bit uncomfortable doing this video because you know what, Bali, as amazing as it is, it's like the home of selfies. Like everybody's taking a selfie everywhere and it's driving me absolutely crazy. I don't like it at all. And now I'm now stood here doing it. But I'm in a place called the Yoga Barn, which is basically a retreat centre where people come and do yoga and just basically relax in general. Let me show you around here very quickly and then we'll jump into some charts. Cheers. Yo, what's up guys? So the plan originally was to cut and edit this video and go through the charts in the Yoga Barn Cafe, which I was just in, but my good friend Marina just messaged me saying she was in this beautiful cafe here. So I'm going to do the rest of the video here, but before we jump into some charts, let me just show you where I am. My friend. Really lovely, lovely spot. Let's jump into some charts and I'll show you exactly what went on. All right, cool. So the one and only ticker to go over today is BSLK, which I believe I made $2,000 on. So I traded this as a first green day. So if you don't know what a first green day is, please go and watch the video linked in the description below. So as always, let's start with the daily chart, and we can see here in the past, it's capable of making big moves, but the day, the run of interest was this area here, and I traded it on this day. So this is the day one, this is the first red day, and this is the first green day bounce. So in terms of a day one, this is very strong. It finished the day up 550%-ish, and it's done massive volume. What's that? I can't really see the screen too well because it's quite bright here, but that's over 250 million shares traded. So a huge day one move, lots of eyes on it. As always, if I miss the run up, I'm okay with that. I'm going to see if it sets up for a good first green day bounce, which it did. So important thing to note here is day two, it does what? I can't read the volume, but I think around 5 million shares. So a massive drop off from day one. Obviously that's important because it forms the potential for a liquidity trap. So what's happening is shorts are sizing in on this day based on the liquidity, and the next day when it drops, they can't get out without forcing the price higher. So if we just jump to the 5-minute chart, the day of interest. So this is the big day one move. This is the first red day. This is the first green day bounce. Now, okay, so this level here is an important level because it's the previous day, the first red day's low of day. Now, up until June, the way to have played this would have been to buy at this level here. It likely would have held and you could have risked off this level and pushed and enjoyed the ride up. However, it's changed now. So what's happening is support is breaking, then it's reclaiming, and then it's pushing. So for me, I want to see that break, and I'm looking to enter on that breakdown. I've seen like 20% panics, and I've just entered. Just if I'm wrong, I'm going to cut instantly. But this one I had a lot of conviction for. But as this broke support after hours, I wasn't going to swing it. So I entered. I think I entered the stock at 710, risking these lows here, 677. So when I saw it push and then reclaim, conviction was building. As you can see right here at market open, the stock instantly pushes upwards. So I marketed in and ended up. I think I ended up with a 720 average or something like that, which is quite good. I underestimated the range on this one quite a lot. I think my best sell was 1120. I was going off this here, this level here, but yeah, really underestimated it. Missed almost, well, yeah, $3 a share really. So yeah, something for me to recognise. Even if I just leave a small piece on, it would be nice. But sometimes I get too focused on the micro, too focused on level 2, and end up selling when I see level 2 turn. But you've got to hold through some of those pullbacks. But I do think in this instance, I did stick to my plan. I just underestimated the range that it had. So as I tend to underestimate these stocks quite a bit, I do need to look at that. Maybe perhaps need to tracking data to build conviction in terms of the range that these stocks can have. So I hope that makes sense. The important thing to note here is that stocks having first green days are tending to break support and then reclaim. So that's something to look out for in the future. On this, I made $2,000, but I did take another trade as a first green day, which went wrong, and I think I lost 600 on that. So I don't like trading two stocks at the same time, but I did feel they both kind of set up nicely. So yeah, I decided to do that. But the other one, I can't remember what it was. I think it was like ATNF or something like that. Let me have a look. ATNF. Is that it? No, I can't remember what it was, or else I'd show you it. But I think it had, it was diluting. It was diluting. The chart set up perfectly, but they were diluting, and that in the end proved to be, and obviously the most important factor. So cool. I hope this makes sense. I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.